In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with loans in Xero. Managing loans in your accounting software can be a breeze with just a few steps. We'll walk through how to set up a loan account and use it for your transactions, keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. So, let's dive in. To get started, we're going to navigate to the main taskbar at the top of your Xero dashboard, where you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting. A menu will appear. This is your hub for various financial functionalities. From this menu, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. This section is where you manage all the different accounts that make up your financial records in Xero. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, look for and click on the option that says Add Account. This is where you'll create a new account specifically for your loan. This will help you keep all transactions related to the loan organized and easily accessible. Now, we need to set up your new loan account. First, select liability as the account type. This is crucial because a loan is money that you owe to someone else, making it a liability in accounting terms. Once you've selected liability, you'll need to fill in all the pertinent details about the loan. This includes things like the account name, perhaps loan from bank XYZ, or personal loan, June 2023, depending on your preference and organizational strategy. Be as descriptive as you find helpful, as this will assist in distinguishing this account from others in the future. Enter the code and a description if necessary, and any other details that Xero asks for to establish this new liability account. After you've input all these details, simply click Save. With that, your loan account is officially set up in Xero. Congratulations on reaching this point. It's a significant step in keeping your finances in order. Now that your loan account is established, you can start recording transactions in Xero related to this loan. Whether you are processing payments made towards the loan or recording additional principal amounts received, you'll select the loan account you just created to categorize these transactions. This categorization ensures that every financial move related to your loan is properly documented, making future reporting and audits much simpler and more accurate. And that's all there is to it. With your new loan account in place and ready to handle transactions, you're well equipped to manage your loan responsibilities within Xero. Keeping organized with clearly defined accounts not only helps streamline your financial processes, but also provides greater insight into your financial health. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you maintain a well-organized financial structure.